Hi, today I'm going to show you how to minimize fogging in Airsoft. You need to prepare some tools and materials. First is soldering iron, heat shrink, electric solder, super glue, and scissor. Prepare also your goggle, 2 mini fans, wires with GSD XH connector, and also switch. Also prepare your 7.4 volt LiPo battery, and Dremel is optional. Now I'm going to start with the preliminary adjustment. I'm going to place those fans like this. Now I'm going to remove the lens from the frame. I don't want to damage the lens from the glue. That's why I do this step. Next, I need to create 2 holes for the fans. In here, I use my Dremel. Also, a scissor. You can use anything in order to make those 2 holes. Now I'm going to make the circuit. The circuit is consisted of battery, switch, and 2 parallel fans. And here is the photo. In this step, I didn't apply the solder into this circuit because it is not fixed yet. I'm going to test that out before I apply solder. It works. Now I'm going to apply solder and also heat on the heat shrink. Actually, I didn't show the footage of applying solder, so after soldering, it will look like this. Now it's time to apply heat on the heat shrink. Be careful not to burn your circuit. Now it's time to glue the circuit on the frame. Be careful not to damage any other component. You can use another method in order to stick the wires to your frame. Now it's time to put the lens back to your frame. After put everything back together again, now it's time to test the anti-fog goggle. It works. Now you can minimize fogging during your airsoft battle. I think that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.